Hey guys, Creeper King 15 here with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Mighty Morphin White Tiger Zord. So, articulation, the paws go around 360. It has a slight joint forward right here. So if you want to do, you can bend that backward one and then forward one and do that, but I don't like to do it. I just like to keep it in regular pose. Its mouth opens. Back legs go back like that. Oh, sorry, taking that off camera. Go back like this. Then back down. And then the paws articulate like that. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, transformation. You're going to take the legs at the back section, kind of pull them off, and there's die cast right in there. So, and then there's a little ridge right there, if you can't see it. Whoa. And then there's a little hole right there. With my finger. There you go. And they just snap together. Same thing here. Sometimes it messes up on me. Then you're going to take the paws, fold them back like this, and then back like that. Back like this. Back like that. Then you're going to stand him up. You're going to take his paws, pull them forward to reveal the fist, pull them this way, and then pull the whole body section down. Then there's this little ridge up here. Pull that up, and that is the Mighty Morphin White Tiger Zord. And then if you get the Mighty Morphin Megazord, I'll show you something. So you would take these soles out of the shoes, then you would, sorry, I had to sneeze. Then you would pull these up, and then there's little tabs right in there, if you can't see those. And yeah, that's it for this guy. And then mouth still opens, and you would also rotate this forward, pull up his mask. And what I like to do is I like to do that, then rotate his arms forward like this, and then pull his paws all the way down to make like Claw Tiger Zord. Meow. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing two more things. It's Power Rangers Dino Charge, first and second thing. So this is the Dino Charge Morpher. Can't really fit it that well. Sorry. Turn it around. I'm used to that. And same detail on each side. Anyway, so you're going to turn it on. And then, so you're going to pull this trigger, or here. Shooting sound, pull the trigger. Then we're going to be using 3 Judinchi today. It comes with this red one and a black one. And so you're gonna take the red Judinchi, you're gonna turn it on, or Dino Charger. I know Japanese more than I do American. And then you're gonna pull this trigger at the back down here, pull it down, and that'll open up the map. Then you're gonna take your Dino Charger, make sure the little tabs, it's on the way here. Sorry guys, looks like I'm painting. Okay, there. And you're going to make sure they're facing inward on the Dino Charger. Then you're going to push it in. You're going to take the tail. Whoops. Push it down. Then you're going to spin the barrel. Then pull the trigger. Then you would guess what these ones say. And then, so, you're gonna pull the tail down. There's a button here on this side, and a button here on this side. You're gonna squeeze them both, put them down, and then your Dino Charger will slide out. Turn this off for now, set it to the side, and we'll use it later. This is the Dino Charge sword, which will not fit on camera all the way. Sorry guys, my video cut out a little bit if you couldn't see me. And then that's the whole thing. So, anyway, its gimmick is there's an on and off switch right here. Switch that on. Make the same noise as that. Take your Dino Charger, turn it on. Make sure the tabs are facing inward. Point it diagonal. And then I'm trying to get this on camera. Point it diagonal like this, then up, and it sometimes works. So, like, push it in, then diagonal, then up, and then it'll push in, and then listen. And then you can also pull the trigger. And then push it out and pull the trigger. And there's a button right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. There it is. And you push that to release the Dino Charger. Then, so what you're going to do is you're going to take one of your Dino Chargers, you're going to push it in here, and turn the sword off. Then, see that there's a little lever right there. Pull it down, then pull the blade backward. And then, there's a button right here. It's kind of hard. Then you're going to push that down and pull this down and in. Then you're going to take the Dino Charge Morpher. There's a little slot down here. Pull the tail down, open it up. Then there's this little ridge right here. Take the other one. There's a little thing right there. And then that'll just slide onto that little ridge. And then the little nostrils will go into two holes right in there. And this is your Dino Charge gun. And then you can extend the blade to make it even longer. And to take it off, there's a button here and a button here. And then press those both at the same time and pull, and it'll come off. And there you go. So that's my video for today. Thanks guys. Subscribe, comment, and I will see you next time. Bye!